Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready, so begin now. Open the Game Mode app and sign in. Once done, create or select a profile for the game you want to optimize. Make sure to grant overlay and notification permissions so in-game controls work. Next, tap the plus icon to add a game executable or package. This links settings to that title. You're already in motion. Don't pause to tweak defaults yet. Proceed to configure performance and controls in the next step. You now tune how the app manages resources. Pick performance, balanced, or battery saving depending on what you need. Then adjust frame caps and graphics priority to avoid overheating or stutters. If needed, set CPU/GPU affinity to favor the game. Once that's done, configure overlays and chat hotkeys so controls don't conflict, and enable auto-launch rules if you want the game mode to activate automatically. Remember to save the profile, so these settings apply every time you start the game. You're at the finish line. Launch the game with your chosen profile and check that the overlay icon appears, confirming game mode is active. Watch FPS and temperatures for a few minutes. Make quick in-app toggles if frame rate or thermals are off. If network or input lag shows up, switch profiles or adjust priority live. If something still fails, reset the profile or disable other overlays and background controllers. This common troubleshooting step removes conflicts and usually restores expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.